Hi there. Olatunji Shobodu is my name, and I want to invite you to join the Ask to Win Challenge. The Ask to Win Challenge. You may ask, so what's that about? Let me bring you back to an encounter that Jesus had with a man, who was fairly accomplished, but still had a lack in his life. He wanted something, he couldn't get it, and he ran, to Jesus for help. And Jesus told him, he said, one thing you lack. One thing you lack in order to connect the dots that will deliver what you want. You lack one thing. That word has resonated with me so much. I wrote a book on it. The title of the book, One Thing You Lack. One Thing You Lack. And in that book, I explored that one thing, the concept of one thing. Jesus didn't say, go and do 3 things, or you need to do 7 things, or you need to do 21 things, or perhaps you need to do 101 things. No, many times you lack just one thing, one insight. When you have that one insight, you are put on top of your situation. You are able to resolve it, and you are able to have your desires realized. That one insight is expressed in one word, interestingly. And we find it also in the scripture. And what is that word? That word, that 3-letter word is A-S-K. Ask. Ask. If you know how to use that word, if you know how to ask, if you know the power in asking, you have one insight that you need. And that singular word will open you up into how to resolve every issue of lack, every gap in your life. If you know how to use it, it will change your life for good. If you will learn how to use it this year, 2023, I guarantee it will be your best year. That's what the Ask to Win Challenge is about. I invite you to join us. Let me walk you through that simple but powerful word. Let me show you the power of that word. Let me show you how to use it. When you empower yourself after that manner or order, then you are set to bring lack to an end in your life. You are set to seize the driving seat of your life, to determine the outcomes of your life, to see your desires come to pass, to experience that long-sought transformation in your life, and indeed, to make 2023 your best year yet, and the beginning of your best years. So join us, 5 days, Ask to Win Challenge, and you'll be glad you did. It's a good way to start the year. And peradventure, you are hearing this over the course of the year. There is no better time to discover the one thing that you lack. There is no better time. Any time you discover it, you are set for a new experience. And that's the promise of this challenge. So make the move now, take the step, join the challenge, and experience a new beginning. Give greater meaning to your life. Empower yourself to determine the outcomes of your life and not just take what life gives to you. I'll see you there. Olatunji Shobodu is my name, and I'll be anchoring that Ask to Win Challenge.